Hey, how's it going, people? Bram Brady here, and thank you for tuning into my channel. In this episode, I'm going to share with you some tips on how to reduce motorcycle insurance costs. But first, some common questions that new riders ask about insurance. What does comprehensive coverage mean, and is it mandatory? Comprehensive means that the insurance company will take on the risk of paying for any damage or loss to your vehicle. For example, if your motorcycle was stolen, the insurance company will pay to have it replaced. This type of coverage is optional unless you borrowed money to buy your bike, and in such cases, the bank will force you to get comprehensive insurance to protect themselves until your loan is discharged. What does third-party liability coverage mean, and is it mandatory? Third-party liability coverage in Canada means that the insurance company will defend you for any claims by a third party due to damages you caused while operating your vehicle. For example, you ran into someone's backyard and wrecked their fence. This is mandatory in Canada, and in many countries it's called standard insurance. But if you want to save some money, you can choose to go with the minimum coverage like $200,000. However, keep in mind that personal injury lawyers nowadays will push up to $1 million in liability claims. So if you can afford $1 million coverage, go for it. What is a deductible? A deductible is money you have to pay up front for an insurance claim. The insurance will then pay for the balance. For example, if your repairs will cost $2,000 and your deductible is $1,000, you must first pay $1,000 and the insurance company will pay the other $1,000. The purpose of the deductible is to discourage large amounts of trivial costs that you could have paid for yourself. A higher deductible will reduce your insurance cost. Motorcycle insurance works in the same way as car insurance. So if you have an excellent driving record in your car, you will enjoy the same savings in your motorcycle insurance. Also, keep in mind that your driving record will affect any vehicle that you operate as a principal. There are many factors that affect the cost of insurance, including your age, previous accidents or claims, traffic violations, continuous insurance coverage, your city's claims loss history, and the type of motorcycle that you want to ride. Now that that is out of the way, here are 8 ways to reduce motorcycle insurance costs. Number 1, do not get comprehensive insurance unless it is mandatory. While this means that you will be shouldering the cost of any damages to your motorcycle like fire, theft, and collision, you can put away the large chunk of money you will be saving into a bank, and after several months, you will have enough money to completely insure your own bike. Number 2, increase your deductible. If you must take comprehensive coverage, increase your deductible as much as you can. The higher the deductible, the bigger the savings. Then put the savings away until you have enough to cover it. For example, if you have a $1,000 deductible, put away $125 a month for 8 months. Number 3, take a motorcycle safety course. You can receive discounts from your insurance company, and over time, you'll recoup the cost of the safety course. Number 4, take advantage of club membership benefits like motorcycle clubs, CAA, and Costco. Sometimes they offer great insurance discounts for being a member. Number 5, use an insurance broker. They're like mortgage brokers in that they have access to many insurance companies. You can save time by having a broker make all the phone calls for you to insurance companies, and you can pick up the lowest rate if you wish. Number 6, ask for discounts. For example, some insurance companies offer a discount for paying for the whole year in advance, or if you also insure your home and other vehicles through them. It doesn't hurt to ask. Number 7, insure a lower displacement bike. It shouldn't come as a surprise that larger bikes will cost more to insure, so at least until you have a good enough driving record, ride a lower displacement bike like a 500cc or less motorcycle like the ones I have back here. And finally, maintain a clean riding record over time. Riding defensively isn't just for your own physical protection, it also has a positive effect on your insurance record. Maintain an excellent record and don't interrupt your insurance coverage. And now my thoughts on comprehensive insurance. An insurance company's job is to take on the financial risks for you so that you can have peace of mind at a cost. And a standard insurance coverage should be part of your overall financial plan. Comprehensive insurance, however, is like forced savings. You're paying the insurance company to cover the cost of damages to your motorcycle ahead of time. And when you file a damage claim, you will be forced to pay that back again through an increase in your insurance premiums. So what am I saying? While not all of us are wealthy enough to pay for a $1 million lawsuit A $1,000 repair job should be doable in just a few months of saving, and a $10,000 replacement fund in a few years. It's good practice to always have an emergency fund anyway. So if you're willing to fund your own comprehensive insurance, do it. And that'll be all for this episode. If you have any other tips on how to save on insurance, please add them to the comments section. And if you like this video, please hit that like button, and I'll see you in my next video. As always, ride safe, and thanks for watching.
You look like a bobblehead.